So this little project, what we're trying to do is, we bought this house 12 years ago, we did it up, we lived in it for 2 years, then we renovated it, and actually we love the house, and we just think we're not quite in love with it now. It just needs that freshen up. We wanted to do that and not break the bank. My mind was telling me this isn't wood. My heart is like, this is wood, this looks like wood. I mean, it is just the best of both worlds. It's got this texture to it, you know, and it's got the knotting and the grains, and as I said, it's sort of, yes, it's very lovely to sort of move your hand over. It feels really natural. So the materiality is fantastic, but it comes in this system that is just so easy to fit. The Korlok system just fits together, and I'm not a floor fitter. I'm not even particularly good at DIY, but I can lay this floor, and very quickly as well. So it's done. We've got the floor down. It was amazing actually. What's astounded me is the change in the flooring has made probably the single biggest difference to how this room feels. In a house like this, we've got a dog, 2 kids, we have lots of friends around. We don't want to be worried about the floor scratching or having to oil it or sand it. That's the downside of wood. It takes a lot of maintenance. So it's really easy to get the floor because you can just get it from Palio Express. It's an online store, it gets delivered to you. And as I said, you know, you can fit it yourself, you can fit part of it yourself, get someone in to do the hard bits, or you can get a floor fitter in to do the entire thing if you're really busy. I am so impressed with what a change it's made.